Solved problems. Closing of year-end accounts. 6-column worksheet. Cost of goods sold. Operating expenses using the function of expense method. Income statement. Balance sheet. Statement of changes in owner's equity. Closing entries. Post-closing trial balance. Opening entry. Problem. Constantino Hardware and Construction Supply is a client of Clariso Ombo CPA. The owner manager sought your assistance to prepare for him the following: 1. 6-column worksheet. 2. Cost of goods sold. 3. Operating expenses using the function of expense method. 4. Income statement. 5. Balance sheet. 6. Statement of changes in owner's equity. 7. Closing entries. 8. Post-closing trial balance. 9. Opening entry. Trial balance December 31, 2019. Cash in bank debit 2,050,000. Accounts receivable 185,000. Estimated uncollectible accounts 4,000 credit. Merchandise inventory January 1 2,980,000. Unused supplies 54,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 1,300,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation furniture and fixtures 520,000 credit. Accounts payable 980,000 credit. P. Sulatorio Capital 2,382,010. R. Sulatorio Drawing 60,000 debit balance. Sales 5,452,000 credit. Sales discount 12,500 debit. Sales returns and allowances 14,600 debit. Purchases 1,880,000 debit. Purchase discounts 5,900 credit. Purchase returns allowances 10,300 credit. Freight in 9,810 debit. Sales salaries selling 188,000 debit. Office salaries general 160,000. Taxes and licenses general 64,300. Rent and expenses general 176,000. Utilities expense general 140,000. Sales commission selling 80,000. Total debits 9,364,210. Total credits 9,364,210. Additional data. Merchandise inventory end is 1,010,000. Solution. 6-column worksheet. Trial balance. Debit credit. Cash in bank 2,050,000. Accounts receivable 185,000 debit. Uncollectible accounts 4,000 credit. Merchandise inventory December 31 1,010,000. Unused supplies 54,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 1,300,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation furniture and fixtures 520,000 credit. Accounts payable 980,000 credit. R. Sulatorio Capital 2,382,010 credit. R. Sulario Drawings 60,000 debit. Sales 5,452,000 credit. Merchandise inventory January 1 1,010,000 credit. Sales discount 12,500 debit. Sales returns and allowances 14,600 debit. Merchandise inventory January 1 2,980,000 debit. Purchases 1,880,000 debit. Purchase discounts 5,900 credit. Purchase returns and allowances 10,300 credit. Freight in 9,810 debit. Sales salaries selling 180,000 debit. Office salaries general 160,000. Taxes and licenses general 64,300 debit. Rent expenses general 176,000 debit. Utilities expenses general 140,000 debit. Sales commission selling 80,000 credit. Total debits 10,364,210. Total credits 10,364,210. Income statement. Sales 5,450,000 credit. Merchandise inventory January 31 1,010,000 credit. Sales discounts 12,500 debit. Sales returns and allowances 14,600 debit. Merchandise inventory January 1 2,980,000 debit. Purchases 1,880,000 debit. Purchase discounts 5,900 credit. Purchase returns and allowances 10,300 credit. Freight in 9,810 debit. Sales salaries selling 188,000 debit. Office salaries general 160,000 debit. Tax and licenses general 64,300 debit. Rent expenses general 176,000 debit. Utilities expenses general 140,000 debit. Sales commission selling 80,000 credit. Total debits 5,705,210. Total credits 6,478,200. Profit 772,990. Balance sheet. Cash in bank 2,050,000 debit. Accounts receivable 185,000 debit. Estimated uncollectible accounts 4,000 credit. Merchandise inventory December 31 1,010,000 debit. Unused supplies 54,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 1,300,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation furniture 520,000 credit. Accounts payable 980,000 credit. R Solatiro capital 2,382,010. R Solatiro drawings 60,000 debit. Total debits 4,659,000. Total credits 3,886,010. Profit 772,000. Total debits 4,659,000. Total credits 4,659,000. Cost of goods for the year ended December 31, 2019. Merchandise inventory January 1, 2,980,000. Purchases 1,880,000. Add freight in 9,810. Less purchase discounts 5,900. Less purchase returns and allowances 10,300. Less merchandise inventory 31st December 1,010,000. Cost of goods sold 3,843,610. Operating expenses for the year ended December 31, 2009. Selling and distribution expenses. Sales salaries selling 188,000. Sales commission 80,000. Total selling and distribution expenses 268,000. Administrative expenses. Office salaries 160,000. Rent expense 176,000. Utilities expense 140,000. Total admin expenses 476,000. Total operating expenses 744,000. Income statement for the year ended December 31, 2019. Sales 5,452,000. Less sales discount 12,500. Less sales returns and allowances 14,600. Net sales 5,444,900. Merchandise inventory January 1 2,980,000. Purchases 1,880,000. Freight in 9,810. Less purchase discounts 5,900. Less purchase returns and allowances 10,300. Less merchandise inventory December 31 1,010,000. Cost of goods sold 3,843,610. Gross profit 1,581,290. Selling and distribution expenses. Salaries 188,000. Commission 80,000. Total selling and distribution expenses 268,000. Admin expenses. Office salaries 160,000. Taxes and licenses 64,300. Rent expenses 176,000. Utilities expense 140,000. Total admin expenses 540,300. Total operating expenses 808,300. Net profit 772,990. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2019. Assets. Current assets. Cash in bank 2,050,000. Accounts receivable 185,000. Estimated uncollectibles -4,000. Net accounts receivable 181,000. Merchandise inventory December 31 1,010,000. Unused supplies 54,000. Total current assets 3,295,000. Non-current assets furniture and fixtures 1,300,000. Less accumulated depreciation furniture fixtures 520,000. Net cost of furniture and fixtures 780,000. Total non-current assets 780,000. Total assets 4,075,000. Liabilities. Current liabilities. Accounts payable 980,000. Total current liabilities 980,000. Non-current assets nil. Total liabilities 980,000. Owner's equity R Solatario capital 2,382,010. Less R Solatario drawings -60,000. Add net profit 772,990. Total owner's equity 3,095,000. Total liabilities and owner's equity 4,075,000. Total assets 4,075,000. Statement of changes in owner's equity for the year ended December 31, 2019. R Solatario capital 2,382,010. Less Solatario drawings 60,000. Add net profit 772,990. Total owner's equity 3,095,000. Closing entries. To transfer all the incomes to income summary account. Sales debit 5,452,000. Merchandise inventory December 31 debit 1,10,000. Purchase discounts debit 5,900. Purchase returns and allowances 10,300. Income summary account credit 6,478,200. Being the income accounts transferred to income summary account. To transfer all the expenses to income summary account debit 5,705,210. Sales discounts credit 12,500. Sales returns and allowances 14,600 credit. Merchandise inventory January 1 2,980,000 credit. Purchases 1,880,000 credit. Freighting 9,810 credit. Sales salaries selling 188,000 credit. Office salaries general 160,000 credit. Tax and licenses general 64,300 credit. Rent expenses general credit 176,000. Utilities expenses general 140,000 credit. Sales commission selling 80,000 credit. Being the expenses transferred to income summary account. Income summary account sales debit 5,452,000. Merchandise inventory debit 1,10,000. Purchase discounts debit 5,900. Purchase returns and allowances debit 10,300. Sales discounts credit 12,500. Sales returns and allowances credit 14,600. Merchandise inventory January 2,980,000. Purchases credit 1,880,000. Freight credit 9,810. Sales salaries selling 188,000 credit. Office salaries general credit 160,000. Tax and licenses general credit 64,300. Rent expenses general credit 176,000. Utilities expenses general credit 140,000. Sales commission selling credit 80,000. Owner's equity account net profit 772,990. Total debits 6,478,200. Total credit 6,478,200. Post closing trial balance as on December 31, 2019. Account titles debit credit. Cash in bank debit 2,050,000. Accounts receivable debit 185,000. Estimated uncollectible accounts credit 4,000. Merchandise inventory December 31 1,10,000. Unused supplies 54,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 1,300,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation furniture 520,000 credit. Accounts payable 980,000 credit. R. Solatorio Capital 3,095,000 credit. Total debits 4,599,000. Total credits 4,599,000. Opening entry January 1, 2020. Cash in bank debit 2,050,000. Accounts receivable debit 185,000. Estimated uncollectible accounts credit 4,000. Merchandise inventory January 1 1,010,000. Unused supplies 54,000 debit. Furniture and fixture 1,300,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation furniture 520,000 credit. Accounts payable credit 980,000. R. Solatorio Capital 3,095,000 credit. Opening entry as on 1st January 2020.
Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.